When people think of the Baja Peninsula, they think of white sand beaches, warm ocean air, secluded surf spots, and we can't forget about those fish tacos. What a lot of people miss is what you don't see while driving down the few paved highways that connect the major cities.
Oh my goodness!
Steer your vehicle off the pavement and rattle along a corrugated dirt road for a couple of hours, and you'll find yourself in the middle of vast, untouched expanses, frequented only by packs of wild burros and the occasional clapped-out Honda Accord with bald tires.
Yeah? Yeah.
Baja holds immense treasures in the form of secret spots atop grand vistas or on sprawling vacant beaches. All one needs is a willingness to step off the beaten path into the unknown and a somewhat reliable form of transport. There are no trains or bus routes going to these places, and they're often well out of the way of any towns, fuel stations, mechanics, or tow trucks, so you better be prepared.
Greta, come. What?
We've had a photo op. Sorry,
No worries.
way to go, Betty!
Way to go, Betty. She's overeating. That's a problem that already exists. Roads in Baja are not like the roads you're used to. The term Baja Miles has been aptly coined to describe the extra time it takes to drive anywhere in Baja and the toll it takes on your vehicle. Shredded tires, blown shocks, squeaky suspension, worn-out ball joints, and many other mechanical issues are common problems that plague vehicles traveling in search of Baja's treasured spots. Expect to be visiting one of the numerous talented and resourceful Mexican mechanics at least once if you intend to stay a while. You may be asking yourself at this point, is the cost worth the reward? Our answer, definitely. Our love for off-the-beaten-track travel continues to deliver us to astoundingly beautiful places. Each time we step out of the van and walk over to the edge of a beach or an epic vista, it makes all the preparation, maintenance, and uncertainty worth it.
Meg trying out the solar shower for the first time.
We're asked by a lot of prospective van purchasers or people watching our content if our van is four-wheel drive and if we think we need four-wheel drive. The answer to those questions is no, and kind of. This far, having a two-wheel drive van hasn't stopped us. We've made it to every spot that we've aimed for. Of course, extensive off-road experience goes a long way in getting us to these remote places we want to explore. So, do you need a four-wheel drive in Baja? Nope. Should you prepare yourself to deal with getting stuck and parts failing? Absolutely. We carry a reasonable arsenal of tools and recovery gear, including traction boards, tow strap, shackles, and a shovel. We have a small air compressor and an easy deflator to air down and air up the tires, plus a patch kit for flats.
Let me know when you need me to jump on the.
There it is. Well, the problem seems to be the valve stem, so I'm going to see if I can plug it with RTV for now. Certainly not the most conventional way of doing this, but there a little bit. So one of the things that we discovered yesterday while I was looking over the van's suspension is that when the van was in for repair and the suspension was put back together, they forgot to put the suspension back together with a certain bushing on the top of the shock. And as we drove out here from Kia Los Angeles, the suspension started to loosen up and get really, really loud. And there's just like a rubber bushing right on the top that's supposed to dampen the movement or kind of cushion it, and it's not there, so it's just starting to rattle really bad. So luckily I brought my grinder with me, and there's lots of raw materials everywhere in Baja here, so there's no bushing between this very small washer, the only one I could find, and the top of the shock tower. So we're just going to take that off.
Homemade bushing activated. Way to go, sweetie.
Fixing a pinch. Maybe it'll work for a little while until we can find something different.
Yeah, we'll know it's busted off when we start hearing that awful thunk, thunk, thunk.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
So people call these Baja Miles, and it's for a very good reason. Baja Miles are exceptionally difficult or exceptionally hard on your vehicle because you just kind of have to go throttle down sometimes, like this. It's all sand, and then you just get like sand rattle or sand bump or whatever you want to call it, all this washboard. So yeah. Oh shit.
What?
Oh, that's very not good. Pounded a hole right through. Okay, that's not good. I mean, it can be fixed. It's just... So because that bushing was not there, it weakened the top of the shock tower, the hole that the shock shaft basically comes through, and there's supposed to be a bushing on the bottom and a bushing on the top. Because it's not there, and I had a washer that was too small because I don't have the washer that's supposed to be there, it's pounded a hole right through the top of the shock tower that's too big. So now there's a nice big hole in the top of the shock tower. So yeah, got a lot of this road to go, and it's just going to be progressively worse. Fuck.
Are we gonna put wood there?
Yeah. I have another idea that I can also use.
Got a piece of wood, a piece of aluminum. We're gonna see if that gets us through this road. I wonder how many kilometers we have left. 100? He wonders why I don't like these crazy roads.
Definitely not ideal.
If this isn't a homemade solution, I don't know what is. Goodness gracious.
1 hour later.
To add to all the excitement, that his coolant is boiling. He's overheating that, so just a day of fun.
Despite these minor setbacks, we continue on our way through the desert towards civilization. The road doesn't improve much, but the surrounding beauty is ever present, and we find ourselves more than once stopping to take it in and capture photos. Oh, wow. The desert flora is almost entirely alien to us, especially the massive cardones. But oddly enough, as we move through these landscapes, we often spot odd similarities to areas we know back home.
This looks like a BC riverbed, but with cactus.
As we near the end of our dirt road trek, the road opens up. What many may term 4x4 track eventually evens out and our speed increases, regardless of the aggressive Baja washboard that nearly rattled the van apart. Finally free of the rattle, we air up our tires and press on further south down the peninsula, making a pit stop for tacos, of course.
Well, my bushing is still holding. Yeah, that's right. Good work.
Despite the abuse of Baja roads on our patience, sanity, and vehicle, we love it here and would have it no other way. This is a place that still seems wild, where you can truly adventure, experience risk, and the reward that comes with it. In short, Baja, we love you, shitty roads and all. Why do you smell like a donut?